let go of rain. It's not your song to sing no more. Goodbye, blame. Weights can't lift you up, but you can find a way to drop them.
So this is my Kona Process 153. I thought I'd show this off because this is what I'm going to be riding in the videos that are upcoming. So I bought the frame and it had the components on it, but I've switched them out a lot. So starting with the front of the bike and the cockpit, I've got Bergtech Ride Wide Enduro bars. I think I run them 790 wide or 780. Probably ideal width for me. Probably could have gone a little shorter, but they're okay as they are. Then on the bars I've got DMR Def Grips and Shimano Dior brakes, front and rear. Then the shifter that's connected up to the gears is a SRAM GX Eagle shifter, which runs back to a full SRAM GX Eagle drivetrain. Except for the chain, I'm just going with an NX chain because there's literally no difference. And then going down to the front of the bike, again I've got Hope headset and Hope spacers. Then there's a little cool thing that I've got in my head tube. Then on the fork we've got a RockShox Pike, I believe it's a 2016 fork. Pretty nice fork. It's got compression damper and compression charger. It's got 160mm of travel. I run around 100 psi in here, give or take. Then the wheel set that's connected to that front and rear is Hope Pro 4 hubs with Hope Tech Enduro rim on the front and a Hope Tech downhill rim on the rear with a Hope hub as well. Both Pro 4 hubs. So as I already said, the caliper is Dior XT Shimano and got a XT rotor on there. So the tyres that I run is a Schwalbe Magic Mary on the front and a Schwalbe Hans Dampf on the back. I've just got a BMX seat on here for now, but I am getting a jump bike seat soon. So I also forgot to mention the stem, which is a race face stem. I'm not sure the exact model, but I know it's race face and it's 35mm long and it's a pretty nice stem. There's nothing up with it. And then to the rear shock I've got a DVO Topaz G3 Air. It's a very good rear shock, obviously 153mm of travel I get from this frame. It's got the piggyback on it and it's got everything that you'd need for a relatively progressive rear shock. Then I've forgot to mention about the bars, but on the bars I've got a KSLEV remote dropper lever connected to a Brand X Ascent dropper. Then what's holding that on is a Hope seat clamp. Then obviously I've got my Hope F20 pedals, which are very good pedals. I've had them for 2 years, but I'm hoping to have them for at least 4. Then I'll probably go to some Mark 5s or something, or maybe even stick with Hope. The frame itself is a very good frame, there's nothing wrong with it. Probably will be upgrading it in a few years time to maybe something such as Santa Cruz frame, but as far as this frame goes at the minute, there's nothing up with it.